Santiago Bernabeu. A 5-2 victory as we progress into the Copa del Rey quarterfinals. We have a fan with us. What's your name?
Mavesh.
Mavesh, welcome to Let's Be Real. First of all, how was the performance? From the first half, extra time, what were your emotions through the game?
It was up and down the whole game. First half was not that great, but then looking at the second half, then we scored the goals, and then coming with extra time was stupendous. It was crazy. Like, we were jumping in the bleachers. We were like, Ala Madrid, Ala Madrid, Ala Madrid. And we were even playing with the Celta fans up. We were near to the away fan section, so we were really, really pumped up the whole game.
Only pumped up, and the fact that one guy who definitely helped getting that pump was Endrick.
The Bobby.
Yeah, Bobby. As you call
Bobby.
Bobby, yeah,
We call him Bobby.
Bobby, 2 goals. Now the fact that he was not getting a lot of opportunities, once he starts getting, he starts scoring, and we need goals coming from people apart from the front three.
Yeah, we need, and as we got the goal also from Valverde, and Valverde scoring only the screamers. Every goal outside the box, and every goal is out of the world and better than the last one. So we are getting the goals from the midfields too, but we need like so many scoring, some screamers, and then Modric sometimes coming up. But then we need it.
Yeah, we need it, and we got them today. That was the most important part. And talking about Fede, banger after banger, like he just puts it in from wherever he wants. But what that special goal, and I feel the team should apologize to him because he's playing every minute and he's just delivering.
He is a man who you can't take out of the team, but sometimes he also needs rest. But today, when we needed him again, he came up and he scored the goal.
Talking about Arda Güler, man, in the last Copa del Rey game against Deportivo Minera, he did score a brace, got a start. Today also, when he got the chance, he offside goal, obviously VAR. He was not offside; it was actually the other player. But today also scored a goal. Had the assist to the. Do you think it's time Carlo puts him a lot more trust because he's showing he can deliver more?
Yeah, coming to Carlo, putting trust into the younger players. Carlo needs to put the younger players on. They need to play. When they don't play, you don't get the trust. When they play, you give them few minutes here and there. They get the confidence. They play and they score and they deliver. You saw Bobby coming in and Bobby Charlton. That's the reason we call him Bobby Charlton. So and Arda Güler giving the assist. Though the goal was he probably deserved the goal, but then it was other player. It was Vini offside. But then really we need the younger players coming up and we need them to play.
We need them to play, we need them to score and decide matches like today. Talking about Don Carlo, before the game, there's a lot of range of boos that came in. And I don't think majorly it was directed at him, but it's not of his quality and what he can. It was the manner in which we are losing to Barcelona, to concede 9 goals in 2 games. But what's your stance on it, Hala Madrid? What's your stance on it?
Losing to Barcelona, the problem is we are playing the same players again and again. And Barca is a big game. And we played on Friday and we played again on Sunday. The players didn't have the rest. And it showed on the pitch last El Clasico. And before that, it was the same reason. The same players playing, he's become too predictable. And Hansi Flick is taking advantage of every time. It's the only team where we feel like we are not the best. Other teams we know we can play. We can win, definitely. Today was another case, but we got the game at the end. So
you have to get over the line, especially knockout stages of the game. Who was your man of the match today and why?
For me, man of the match was probably Fede Valverde coming in.
When is he not man of the match? That's the problem.
He is man. He's
the man.
That's the reason you call him El Pajarito. He is El Pajarito.
Definitely, man. All the way from Uruguay, stealing hearts from Madrid to India all along. Thank you so much, man, for talking to us.
Ala Madrid!
Ina Adamas. Thank you, guys.